Jainnher machine was established in 1982, accumulated many years of manufacturing technology and experience. Jainnher became well-known and trusted by customers from all over the world. The current sales status is mainly for export, which accounts for 70% of the company's revenue. Among them, mainland China, Europe, and Southeast Asia have the most markets. The sales territory extends all over 40 countries. The main products include centerless grinder, cylindrical grinder, internal grinder, composite internal and external cylindrical grinder, center hole grinders, vertical grinder, thread grinder, provide multiple choice in response to customers' various demands. In order to ensure the high precision and high stability of the machine, we insist on 100% independent research and development of our products, and all machines are manufactured in Taiwan. Particularly important mechanical core parts such as the spindles, alloy bearings, grinding wheel flange, machine base scraping, etc., 90% of which are self-made and processed in our factory, and our products are all inspected by special jigs and high-precision measuring instruments. After 39 years of manufacturing technology and development experience, now our product line is quite complete. The centerless grinder as our first product, depending on the size difference, currently have JSP 12, 18, 20, and 24 models. The grinding outer diameter can range from 1 mm to 230 mm. The performance of the machine is stable, and the accuracy can be stably within 2 microns. It also can be equipped with a variety of customized manual and automatic feeding and receiving equipment, measuring equipment, and NC/CNC digital control systems to improve customer production efficiency and save human resource. Therefore, the centerless grinder has widely used for mass-produced workpiece, such as automobile and motorcycle parts, round bars, tools, and mold parts, due to the wide grinding wheel surface and high production efficiency. Because of the various and complex applications, therefore we have developed many different types of cylindrical grinders models for the customer's diversified products. Now we have internal cylindrical grinders, external cylindrical grinders, composite, internal and external cylindrical grinders, and thread grinders. Cylindrical grinders are more suitable for products that have high precision requirements or products with many steps. The grinding range of outer diameter is from 5 mm to 380 mm, and the length can be up to 2 meters long. Regarding machine's performance, the dimensional accuracy can stabilize reach within 2 microns. The concentricity and stringency and other precision requirements can be achieved as well. In addition to the general traditional manual models, all models have NC and CNC numerical control models and can be matched with various robot arms to achieve automated production. It also can be collected with many kinds of in-process measurement devices, which can further enhance the requirements of precision processing. At present, it has widely used in the machining of high-precision parts such as spindles, bearings, and mold parts of machine tools. Jainnher grinding machine manufacturing technology is proficient, and the quality is sufficient to compete with German, Japanese, and other grinding machine manufacturers. More importantly, it can provide customers with more cost-effective choice in terms of price. In the future, we are optimistic about the potential demands of high-precision parts, such as automobiles and robots. To meet the above-mentioned potential industries and production needs, Jainnher will continue to improve its R&D capability and concentrate on developing the mainstream chain of customized and automated production. Sincerely looking forward to having the opportunity to working with you.